Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and C300 badging. Trunk. Rear seats. Memory seats, driver seat controls, heated seats, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle is 69,013, a turnkey ignition, radio, navigation, backup camera, climate control, center console, Mercedes-Benz shifter, and steering wheel. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.